Hey everyone, this is Zelda from TandZRVLife, and I'm showing you some pictures that I have watercolored or pencil sketched, and I'm pretty much self-taught, so don't be too harsh on me. This picture here was just, I wanted to paint a landscape with some trees in it. Here's one with some flowers that I drew, and I love color. I like colorful things, so this one and another one you'll see later are colorful ones. I usually name the faces that I make, but this particular one I didn't name. So anyway, here she is actually watercolored in, and I just wanted her hair pinned up. Now this lady I have, it says M, she's the RN murderer, and I was watching one of those crime shows, and she was on there, and I just decided I wanted to sketch her. This one is one that I got offline, and most of these I did find online that I drew myself, and just looking at the faces behind the face. And here, it's all good. It's all good. Here's a lady, I just painted her or sketched her, and I think I got her from Rapid Fire Art. And here are some more little flowers that I was trying to learn how to watercolor. Not very good at it, but it's very relaxing. And here's the other picture of the flowers that I drew and have the heart in the center. Here's another lady that I saw online, and I decided to try to sketch her. She has cornrows in her hair and a nose ring or a nose piercing. And here's the one, I think I named her Esperanza, but I'm not sure. I might have showed this to you earlier, but yes, this is the lady. She's smiling in the front, and then behind she's just distraught. Some days I have days like that, but it goes on. And here's my lady with no arms. I don't know why. I forgot to put arms on her, and I liked it, so I left it. And here's just another watercolor picture with the little water tower or the lighthouse, and a lady with a long neck. This guy here, I saw him, he was just sitting in the laundromat, and he was on his cell phone with a dog on his lap, and this was my interpretation. And this is my favorite picture of all. This is my daddy. Thanks for watching.